the Swiss Army knife of programming? It's just the Python language. You know that it's a versatile language that we can use in every domain, especially related with IT. For example, cybersecurity also requires the use of Python programming, networking also requires it, cloud computing, artificial intelligence also require the programming knowledge, especially the Python's knowledge, and there are other domains also which require you to specialize in this programming language, that is Python. So if you want to learn more about this programming language, you want to learn how to code with Python, you can join Global Institute Artificial Intelligence, that is Global Institute AI, and you will be getting this advanced training where we'll be helping you to build projects on Python. Also, will be helping you to get a good job as a Python developer. Thank you and all the very best.